Oh. Hey man, I don't need a belt, I'm sorry.
Okay, take one.
I need socks.
Even that one.
How much you want?
This one. This one.
How much?
1,000.
No,
Even that one.
it's okay.
You take 2 or 1.
I have lots of
I'll
belts.
give a good price. If you take 2.
I don't need a belt. Sorry.
Take this one. Can get some.
I need socks.
Okay?
Sorry man. These are nice belts though.
Yeah.
Hey buddy. Ooh, you got socks.
Yeah, socks.
How much?
150
150 for
for a pair like this. Oh, okay. Okay. I saw
these are for men?
yeah, for men.
I'll give you 300 for 3.
300 for 3. Okay.
You're fair?
Okay. Which one?
Good, because that's all I have.
Okay.
Thank
Can
you.
select?
That's fair, man.
Yeah.
I don't know. Any pair?
Yeah, any.
I'll take this one.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I love this one.
Uh-huh.
No, that's too thick.
That's too thick. Okay. What about this? And this one? Do you like this? And this color?
Is this 2?
Yeah, these are 2.
They're inside?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll take another dark one.
This navy blue dark. And
Yeah.
this is dark plain.
Okay, thank you.
Plain.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks. Sorry, man, I don't need a belt.
Do this.
You're gonna sell.
If
I can't. I don't have it. I don't have it.
how much do you have?
I have a card.
How much?
I have a card. You're gonna do good. I don't need it. Thank you.
What about this?
I needed this. Okay, sorry. It's a nice belt though. That won't even fit me. No. I gotta go. I know where to come to find you if I need it. Thanks, sir.